What's up guys, welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is La and today we're going to make the bass from the track Come Together by Marsh and Xfer. Let's have a little listen to the bass. Yeah, really nice, warm, driven bass. Simple bass line, we're just working up the scale. So go from D then to F, and then going to G. Real simple, but it really helps for the track. And I think also on top of this, they have a piano playing, which just layers really nicely. So let's have a look at the sound design. I'll just duplicate this channel. The patch itself is taken from Bound to Device Melodic House preset pack for Diva. It's the BS Schwa, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, we're just going to recreate this. So we go to templates and we'll go to mini poly. So this is based off the Moog modules, as you can see here with the way that they look, the visual on them. And what we want to do with this is just use 3 sawtooths. So it's a little bit of like a respace. And we're going to turn the volume up on all of them. On the bottom one, we're going to pitch it to the 4. And then the middle one, we're going to pitch it right to the end. So on the highest octave. And then we're going to pitch this down. So we're going to detune it down to the 5th. So just like a nice 5th bass. Before we listen to it, we just bring the cutoff down. Yeah, and then we just need to pitch all of it down to the bottom octave. So very low. There we go. Simple as that. So what you can also do is add a little bit of a bite to the bass. And what we want to do is actually put it into legato. So it's just the first hit that's going to come through. And what you might want to do, rather than having like an aggressive envelope here, you can make it so that it's modulated with a little bit of lag. So if you go to modifications here, and then where it says lag, you change this to envelope 2. You leave this dial where it is, and then on envelope 2, you swap it for lag. So now there's envelope 2 being modulated by lag, and lag is just a bit of a delay until the envelope happens. So you get that ROM feeling, which is really nice. Bring the decay down a little bit and bring the actual effect down a bit. There we go. Very, very nice bass. Really simple to do. But yeah, it's just a case of getting the tuning right with the different pitches here. Alright, cool. Well, that is it guys. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If it was helpful, let us know. Make sure you like the video as well and you share it. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more of our content. Thank you very much guys. Catch you in the next one.